Ahoy, mateys. What? We are here on the Disney Dream, day 4, day at sea. We have some things planned today, things we're very excited for. Palo Brunch, woo! It was so nice, we wanted to do it for brunch.
Our Palo Brunch is 11, and we decided to order some room service and take advantage of that feature and leave the little tag on the door. We decided to get some light-hearted breakfast snacks, some things just to tie us over until then. Because why not? It was complimentary. Why not?
Today's definitely our day to just like relax and use the pool and go back to the Rainforest room at some point. Because it's been a really great trip, but it's the last day, so we gotta make it count. We're gonna have some fun. Maybe meet some characters as well. So I'm very excited to say that we have finally made it to Palo Brunch, the fabled, legendary Palo Brunch, something I always hear about on these Disney cruises. We were able to snag a last-minute reservation at our dinner 2 nights ago. Now we're here. There's a lot of stuff to pick from on this menu. I'm curious to see how much food we actually end up getting, though, but I'm excited to try it all because we love Palo. We're Team Palo here. Woo! So Palo Brunch was pretty fantastic, but holy moly,
I can't keep my eyes open. I'm like,
we are gonna stuffed. Yeah, we are stuffed, and it was delicious. The food was great. Great service, as awesome. Everything about it was awesome.
Yeah, Leo, our waiter, was very sweet.
Yes.
He was incredible too.
Yes, and we had some really great food. We had some breakfast food like eggs and waffles, and then we had our lunch like lasagna and chicken parmesan, which were both very, very tasty. But like, we are not gonna eat until dinner. No. I cannot believe that people order 2 plates of lasagna or 2 chicken parmesans. It's like, that cannot be.
And he even brought out a 3rd dessert.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, I was just like, oh, what do you think between the raspberry and the limoncello? And he was like, you can have both. I don't need both. He's like, I'm gonna bring you both. And I was like, okay.
Yeah. But seriously, however much food you decide to order, Palo Brunch was fantastic. It was totally worth it. For our 4-night cruise, a day at sea, this was the only time they did it. So it is super popular. It goes by hot. We were only able to get it because I like asked and there was just like an open spot. Yeah. So if you weren't able to get Palo anything and you're really interested, always just never hurts to ask at the check-in. Yes. What are you doing? Are you packing? Because we have to. We don't have to leave. We can hide under the bed.
Welcome. You got 2 new employees.
That's Adrian.
That's us.
That's us. They're filming us live. Can you believe this? We finally have one of these elevators to ourselves. Oh, we're already here where we need to be. I got someone singing. What are we heading to now, Ellison?
Towel folding.
Yes, we are going to learn how to fold the little creatures and elephants and monster men that we have been receiving. Yeah, the guy from last night was a monster man. I've officially determined that. We're going to learn how to do that now.
Hey, man, he does some towel folding! Feel like you want to fly! Yeah! Okay, so we're warming up already.
Just 4 edges.
Okay.
Before total
On the
ends.
side,
Okay.
2, 3. Okay, now. Nice!
Oh, we got the monkey!
Nice!
We got some monkeys! How was the towel folding experience for you, Ellison?
It was fun.
It was fun. I was not expecting to get on my like hands and knees to fold those towels.
Exactly.
We made a monkey, we made a dinosaur, and we made a swan. And it was a lot of fun, and it was really cool, you know?
And the 30 minutes flew by. I don't know if that was just me, but I feel like we only were in there for like 10 minutes, and they were like, all right, have a great day. And we were like, I was like, oh,
Yeah,
we've
that was a lot of fun,
been
very
here for 30
fast.
minutes.
All these little like extra things that we've done have all been really fun. They've made them very fun and interesting. And yeah, so like that's really great. Are towel animals like a Disney cruise exclusive thing? No, other places do it too. Okay, well it's still cool, really cool to see. We had a lot of fun. Here, we're gonna head over to the adults only pool, woohoo, and relax for a little bit. Turns out the pool areas of the day at sea can be pretty busy, so we actually ran back to that good old Rainforest room and relaxed there for a little bit. Honestly, that has been a really great benefit of the trip. I've loved it. It really is like your own little quiet space. We never had way too many people there, and it is like a quiet area. So if you want to do rest and relaxation, that's a really big deal. It's part of your cruise. I would definitely recommend the Rainforest room. It's like having a little corner of the ship to yourself. But now we're waiting to go meet Mickey Mouse himself. Awesome. Hey, Mickey. Captain Mickey, hello. How are you? This is our first time here on the Dream, and we're having a blast. So thank you guys for an awesome time. Yeah, seriously. Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Yeah. Hey, some great music out here, Donald. Yeah. Woo! Thank you. I appreciate it. You look great. You do. Yes. Yeah. Sure. Oh, hey. Yay, we met some characters. I mean, it wouldn't have felt like a Disney cruise if we didn't, right? But now we're back at our room. We're gonna refresh very quickly and get ready for the 5:30 showing of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. And the cool thing about these Disney cruises sometimes is they actually play movies that are in the theaters. So we're gonna get to go see a brand new Marvel movie out at sea, and that is pretty cool. Obviously, can't record the Ant-Man movie, so you'll just have to take our word for it, and we'll see you when it's done. All right, we just saw Ant-Man Quantumania on the ship. It's so cool. It's kind of like we forgot we were on a cruise ship for a little while.
Yeah, I definitely had a moment where I slowed down. I was like, wait, we're out in the middle of the ocean right now.
We're getting ready for our dinner. Well, we're not really getting ready for dinner right now. We're kind of actually packing our bags. I know, but we have dinner at the Enchanted Garden tonight. All right, so we just got out of our final main course dinner here. We did the Enchanted Garden this time around, and it's really good. We got to try the lobster ravioli finally. That was super tasty. We had some really good entrees, some really great soup. I had the cream of green asparagus soup, and Ellison had the tomato soup. This is a really good dining experience. And overall, all of our dining experiences here have been pretty fantastic. Like ranging from good to fantastic. But I think like the highlight, honestly, out of all of it, has been our wonderful service. All the service that we've had at all the restaurants we've eaten have been really stand out and have really made the experience what it is. Now we are getting ready for our last special show of the night here on the Dream. It is the See You Real Soon show, where I guess all the characters are going to come out here in the lobby and say
Goodbye.
See you real soon. Oh, why are you sad? I know.
Everyone here has been so nice.
Seriously.
And a warm welcome to you right back here in the lobby atrium, the very heart of the Disney Dream, where your journey began with us just a few short days ago. My name's Chris, I'm part of your entertainment team, and on behalf of Captain Jason, our cruise director Carly, and the entire cast and crew of the Disney Dream, we hope that you and your family have had the chance to reconnect and make some magical memories that you will truly treasure for a lifetime. As we do a royal wave to our Disney leading ladies. Thank you so much for joining us, Cinderella, Belle, and Tiana. And right now, I want to hear you make some noise. Go nuts one more time for Chip and Dale! Thank you so much, boys. One more time, your friend of mine, it's Donald Duck! Everybody say, ta-ta, Daisy! Ciao for now, Pluto!
that is it. That was the See Ya Real Soon show. That was our last time seeing the characters, our last little splash of Disney magic before we go to sleep tonight and then wake up tomorrow in Miami, getting straight off the boat, riding out.
Going back to Orlando.
Going back to Orlando where, well, there's a lot more Disney over there. Yeah, seriously. I think we could like figure to talk something out with them and see if we can like,
Hey, you
you
need
know,
2 more people?
yeah.
We'll help.
Then we can like open like a little Universal corner over there somewhere.
They literally couldn't sing it during the press.
Oh my gosh, that
So
was
no.
so funny. I love that little girl. Whoever that was, thank you for repping Universal.
Wait, did you mention it in the video lesson?
I did.
Okay.
So we're gonna walk around a little bit, enjoy some last minute sights before we head to bed, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow very briefly for a goodbye off
Yeah,
the boat.
Really early too.
Yeah.
Really early.
Like 7 a.m. early.
Yeah.
Oh well. One last little towel animal here. A frog. And his little tongue is one of the chocolates. We're back in Miami again. And it's very busy down there. This is actually quite the operation. I can actually see people getting off the ship for the very last time. Oh boy.
Don't record me being sad.
It's time to go. Taking the key card out for one last time.
The last time we'll be in the room ever.
Until we book another Disney Dream and get this exact same room, 7574, you've been real. Everyone's all hanging around, waiting for their luggage. We are doing the express checkout, or we're just gonna walk out with our stuff. I guess we packed pretty light. That's what the housekeeper said. Goodbye, Disney Dream. It has been truly an awesome experience. But now it's time to go back home to more Disney. As the sun rises on a new day here in Miami, our sun sets on the Disney Dream. It was a great time. We had a great trip. I don't know. I'm always one of those people that's really happy after the end of a trip and grateful for the experience. Ellison is a little sad. I mean, I'm sad too. I had a great time, but that just means we got to do another one, right? Ellison, would you recommend a Disney cruise?
Yeah.
Easiest question ever. Yes. It was so cool, so fun, and we thank you guys for joining us for these past 4 videos on this awesome Disney cruise experience. Thank you guys for watching another Vincent Vision, and we will see you guys at the next one. We got to drive to Orlando, so
Get the
bye.
balls.
Yeah, see ya.